Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Terry. Hope you're all doing fine. So on to the brows, guys. We want it to look like that one right there on the right hand side. So we're gonna go in with our Juvia Space concealers in the colors number 7 and number 12. I'm taking the lightest shade, which is the number 12, and I am using that on the bottom part of my eyebrows, and I'm using these two concealers to sharpen up my brows. Now I'm taking the darker concealer and I'm using that on the top of my eyebrow. I use the dark one on top because it's the closest to my skin tone and I don't want that halo look, so I'm going in with that. I applied some more of the number 12 concealer to my lids, and now I'm just blending that out with my fluffy brush so that I can go ahead and start applying my eyeshadow. I'm going to set that with the Airspun loose powder so as to reduce my creasing. I'm going in with the Warrior 2 palette today, and I'm taking these two colors. I'm going in with Nude first, and I'm going to apply that like all over my lid. Next, I'm going in with that bright orange color. I'm just going to focus that right on top of my crease. Once that's done, I'm going to add some more concealer to my bottom lash line area, and I'm going to blend that out. I'm going to add the orange to that part of my eye as well. Now we're just going to create our bold wing. I'm using a gel liner to do this. I'm just going to take my time and create a very dramatic wing today. And once I do this, I go in with the black from the same eyeshadow palette and I will set this gel liner. So once that's done, I always go in with my makeup wipes to like sharpen up the edge of my eyeliners. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just gonna like clean it up too. Next, I'm going in with my mascara. I'm gonna apply that to my lashes so that I can prep to apply my falsies. Ooh, gotta keep hydrated, guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my skin using the Nivea Soft Cream. I'm just gonna apply that all over and rub that in. Once my skin is moisturized, today I jumped over primer, guys. I forgot. I'm going in with these two products. I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me in 338 Spicy Brown, as well as my concealer in the color number 7. Since lately I've been doing this combo and I've realized that it best matches my skin tone, guys. I know that I'm mixing a foundation with a concealer, but what the heck, it's makeup, okay? I'm just playing in makeup. I'm just gonna add those two and blend those out using my beauty sponge. Now I'm going back in with the Juvia's concealer in the color number 12, and I'm using this as my highlight shade today. I'm just going to use a little bit of concealer on the areas of my face that I want to highlight. And I'm going in with my small brush and I'm just kind of like detailing where I want my concealer to go, and I'm kind of like blending it out before I go in with my sponge to further blend and diffuse this concealer into my skin. So I'm using a small damp sponge to kind of like blend out the rest of the concealer, and this also helps with taking away any excess concealer that is on the skin. Once that is blended, I go back in with the sponge that I used to blend out my foundation, and I focus this on the edge of where the concealer meets my foundation on my face, and I blend out any harsh edges that I see. Now I'm going with the Airspun loose face powder once more, and I'm gonna like press that into my skin. I am setting all the parts of my face that I applied concealer to. With this Airspun powder, guys, I will try to go as light as possible. First, I'm blending out the concealer to ensure that I'm not creasing. Then I go in with the setting powder. I blow off the excess, and then I press it into my skin and blend that out. Now I'm just re-adding back that orange under my eye because I kind of like lost the color, so I'm just reapplying that. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Set and Smooth powder in 355 Coconut. I'm just gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face before I go in with my contour color. Now I'm going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour color, and as usual I'm using the Sculpt color to do my contouring today, or my bronzing today. Today I'm using like a little fluffy brush that is like kind of thick to apply this product because I wanted it to like kind of like blend more up towards the where my concealer was, so that I can have this more like natural look. Like I've been loving that look since lately, so that's what I'm doing to kind of like spread out that bronzer or sculpt color more. And I also went in with the Airspun like below that to like sharpen up that look, to like snatch my jawline, okay? And then I blend it out. So now spraying my facial mist on my face, and guys, I finally got myself a fan. I'm just gonna like fan my face to help dry down this facial mist on my face, to get my face looking all skin like and whatever, okay? So now I'm going back in with my same mascara from the cream shop, and I'm gonna apply that to my bottom lashes to like lengthen those and darken them up. I'm going in with this brown marker, like it's a brown pencil, but it's like in the marker form. I'm just gonna create some beauty spots like all over my face, as I had this huge bump on my jaw. I don't know if you guys saw it, but it inspired me to do that, okay? And then I kind of covered it up with the spot. Now I'm going with the Expert Wear lip liner in a blackish brown, and this is from Maybelline. I'm just gonna go ahead and like outline my lips. Once my lip is outlined, I'm going with this Kiss Proof Light Pink lippy. This is like a drugstore lip gloss lipstick that I got from a wholesale, guys. I don't know if it's still in a wholesale. I haven't seen it since I bought it, but that's what I'm using today. I really like this color. It's like such a subtle pink, like really cute. And I'm going with this Maybelline lip gloss. It's called Enthralling Nude. I'm gonna top that off with this gloss. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and like highlight my face from my same palette that I used to contour. I'm just gonna use my fan brush. I'm just gonna apply that lightly onto my skin today. I'm not going all dramatic with the highlighter today. I'm just kind of like giving myself this natural glow. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take down my headband, and I'm just gonna like release my hair, and then I'll come up with the reveals. this is the final result, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on that post notification, click the bell, guys, so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. So that's all, guys, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Peace.